Hey everyone, it's Jen with 30A City to Sand at Inlet Beach Real Estate. If you've been wondering what is actually happening in the 30A real estate market right now, from Inlet Beach all the way down to Destin, you're not alone. There's a lot of noise out there, so today I wanted to give you the actual facts. In this video, we're going to break down the latest market data, look at exactly what is selling versus what is just sitting, and talk about where interest rates are currently holding. Plus, make sure you stay tuned because I'm going to give you my expert advice for both buyers and sellers at the end of this video. First, let's talk about why 30A is such a unique place for real estate. It's not just about having a beautiful beach house. It's about investing in a lifestyle that is highly protected. Our strictly enforced building codes, preserved state parks, and distinct master plan communities mean this area will never become overdeveloped with the high rises. That intentional preservation is exactly why property values here hold their strength year after year, making it an incredible place to live and a smart place to invest. The biggest takeaway for mid-2026, the market has officially transitioned from the wild frenzy from the past few years into a much more stable, calculated environment. Let's look at the numbers. You might be surprised to hear that inventory is actually shrinking. Active listings are down nearly 26% year over year. At the same time, buyer demand has surged, with closed sales jumping over 76% compared to last year. Prices, they're holding strong too. The median sales price along 30A right now is $1.54 million, which is an increase of about 4.5% year to date. Now, keep in mind, this is after we saw a necessary market correction late 2024 and 2025, where prices dipped to meet buyer expectations. Now we are seeing healthy, sustainable stabilization. So what is selling and what is just sitting on the market? So right now, well-priced properties in walkable, highly desirable neighborhoods are moving fast. In fact, the median days on market has dropped to just 81 days. Now, on the flip side, overpriced homes are lingering. Today, buyers are no longer making emotional, speculative purchases. They're making deliberate, lifestyle-led decisions and focusing on long-term value. And of course, we have to talk about interest rates. As of late July 2026, the current average interest rate for a 30-year fixed mortgage is hovering in the mid to high 6%. Experts are forecasting that these rates will likely stay there through the rest of the year. All right, so as promised, here's my expert advice. If you are a seller, strategy and pricing are everything right now. You cannot throw a speculative number at the wall and expect it to stick like you could in 2021. You have to price correctly from day one, and your home needs to show beautifully. Now, if you're a buyer, you have more leverage now than you did during the pandemic boom, but do not wait for a massive market crash because it is not coming. With inventory down and demand up, if you find a well-priced home in a community you love, make your move before someone else does. So the bottom line, whether you're buying or selling, strategy matters now more than it has in years. If you want to make a smart, informed move on 30A, reach out to Greta and I at 30A City to Sand at Inlet Beach Real Estate today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you at the beach.